So hey everyone, it's Michelle, and today I'm super excited because I finally got my Jeffree Star Cosmetics Black Friday mystery boxes in. I say finally because it's been 3 weeks? Almost 4, it's been almost a month, like Jesus. I'm sure, as a lot of you probably know, there was so much drama around these boxes. This is cute, like rainbow tissue paper. A lot of tissue paper, okay. Then a beautiful card with Shane and Jeffree. All right, so let's start with the mini mystery box, and I'll give my thoughts, I guess, on some of the drama. Super cute box. Ooh, green. All right, so it looks like I got 2 lip products off the bat with the mini mystery box. All right, this was $20, and the issue was that at first, like the first image they released, it said all of the mystery boxes would contain one exclusive mystery cosmetic item, and that's where he fucked himself, basically, because it does not contain a holiday mystery item. It contains stickers. So a lot of people were super pissed that they thought they were getting not even 3 cosmetic items, but at least a holiday mystery item, and then they got 2 items and stickers. Let's see what I got, and then I'll talk a little bit more. So I got a gloss in the shade Her Goddess. Let's see here. Oh shit. It's pretty. I don't know that I'm gonna keep it. It's like a glittery, deepy gold. I don't know about that one. I mean, it's pretty. And then I got the Velour liquid lipstick in the shade Cherry Wet, which I think I got this, if I'm not mistaken, yeah, I got the same shade in one of my Halloween mystery boxes. So Wet Cherry must be something they're really trying to get rid of. And I mean, it's a wearable color, it's fine. So I don't really know. Maybe they just have a ton of them in stock just laying around. Okay, and then the sheet of stickers, which I'm not gonna lie, these are pretty cool stickers. I'll probably put like this one on my skincare fridge. Maybe I'll put a few of them on there. I don't know, they're cute. They look like flash tattoo art. I like them. Would I be pissed if I wouldn't have gotten refunded though? Maybe. Jeffree did end up refunding everyone who bought this box because it was misrepresented as saying that there would be an exclusive holiday mystery item, and there wasn't. So he did refund everyone the $20 that they paid for it, which I think was the smart move, because honestly, I'd be a little disappointed had I not been refunded if this was my box. Because I don't know that I really like the gloss. I already got this lipstick in a previous mystery box, and then there's stickers, which are nice, but a lot of people aren't really into the stickers. They want the makeup, you know? So I am glad I got refunded for this one. Let's move on. We've got the Holiday Premium Mystery Box, significantly bigger. This one was $60, and I did not get refunded for it. I've been so good at staying away from spoilers on this one, and I haven't actually looked up any for the biggest size boxes at the Deluxe, because I didn't want any accidental spoilers for this one, so I have no idea what's in here. And I don't know if everyone got a variation or what the deal is, but I'm gonna find out what I got. Oh shit, oh shit, okay. All right, we got another sheet of stickers. Okay, I don't need 2 of them. I got a liquid frost. The shade is Frozen Peach. Let me see. Oh, the shade actually looks like I could wear it. It might be light enough. I don't know that I will though. I'm really not into liquid highlighters, so that's a we'll see. All right, and then I got the shade of Velour liquid lipstick, Coral Fixation. Ooh, that looks more orange than coral. I'm not gonna keep this. Okay, so far we're not doing too great. Oh, is this the holiday item? Okay, this is the holiday item. It's a velour liquid lipstick. Does it have a shade name? No, it's a stocking emoji with a question mark on it. Oh, there. It looks beautiful though. It's not my thing. It's like a glittery red, but okay. It's at least very holiday-esque. Dude, holy shit. Look at him. I can't believe there is a blue blood palette in here. Damn. It's all here, it's all intact, and it's all beautiful. I actually already have this palette, so I won't be keeping this one, but that's pretty cool to come in a mystery box. paid $60 for this. Okay. Let's think about this rationally. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cosmetic items for $60 because I got refunded for 20. So really that's not bad, but I'm honestly not going to use any of them. So in the end, it's a waste of money. I already have this, which, I mean, I could probably just put this on Mercury for what it retails for and sell it. That's fine. Or maybe a few bucks less. But yeah, I don't know that I want that liquid highlighter. And then the holiday shade of liquid lipstick's pretty, but I'll never wear it. I would put it on once, take a picture, and that's like it. And I'm really trying to be less wasteful. So yeah, unfortunately, the Halloween mystery boxes, I think, were much better, a way better value. These just really didn't do it for me, unfortunately. Like, I mean, I'm sure whoever got this who doesn't have blue blood is super stoked. But yeah, I don't know. Womp womp womp, you can't win them all. So did I waste $60? Yes, but at the same time, I'm sure I'll make it back by just reselling a few of these things. So it's not so bad. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you later. Bye.